Good day to guys. How are you all? Hope all you fine and doing very awesome and good trading. With your best of luck in trading. Gain some knowledge and make profit from market. Today I'm going to share an awesome strategy for boom and crash indexes. A lot of people ask me how to milk a 1, 2 and 3 candle scalping strategy. So as per your request guys, after testing this strategy, I'm going to public front of you guys. So you have to look at this strategy, practice and demo. Once you understand, go and make profit. I'm sorry for a lot of noises. I'm out of home. I just got this idea, so I thought let's share with you guys. So I'm sorry about noises around me. So let's get started. Set up the strategy. First of all, I will explain all points. How to milk candles. Okay. So there is the strategy instructions. You have to main chart indicator window one. You can check RSI 14 period. Okay, and the level is must 55 and 50. And you simply click on down. The parabolic SAR is 1.2, 0.35. Try to take a screenshot and set up later. Okay, watch the video first so you understand better. Take a screenshot of the settings and set up after this video. Involves 50, 0, 2.190. Simple, apply to close to pixel to pixel. Just go for forest index. And here's the force index is 14 period, simple, real, and upper band to pixel. Color choose any you like. And now go to the moving average. The period will be 7, shift will be 0, method will be simple, apply to close. This is the main thing. If you don't want to use parabolic side involves force index, no problem, don't use. Okay. But you have to choose the RSI and the moving area, which is very important in this strategy. Okay guys, so let's get started and show you the very powerful strategy how to milk. After setting, you will see right as my like as looking my chart, you will see. Now it's time to trade. First of all, you have our bought area and our sold area, our bought and our sold area. I hope you guys know in this involves showing us our bought and our sold area, and once market went to our bought and our sold area, what to do. I hope you guys know this is in a basic concept. So let's move on this strategy, how to milk 1, 2 and 3 candles. The main concept and the main reason to making this video. Look here, once a parabolic star dot come into 50 to 55 mid range, 50 to 55 mid range. Okay, when the parabolics are, this is the first option you will go for buy the 3 candle. And the second, look here, the parabolics are in this, and also the line is crossing 1555. You will go 1, 2 and 3 candles. You will milk 1, 2 and 3 candles. Let me show you more examples. Here will be your zoom level. Okay, a lot of more examples. And one market, look here, parabolics are 5055, and the line of moving average come to 50 to 55 area. Go for buy. Okay, go for buy, no worries about anything, but please practice. Look here, the parabolic star is in this area. Look here, after the spike the parabolic star appeared in 55 zone, and right now this is in the middle area of 50-55 zone, and the market started going upward, and you made what 1 to 3 candles. Let me show you on crash 1000. And now look here, a market went down, a spike, but there is no parabolic star. Leave it. Look here, market is coming down. Okay, and here is your signal. The first spike, and here is the second spike. Look here, the parabolic star is down from this level, so 48.93, so there is no signal. Let's move on to the next one. You must have the parabolic star in this area and line also crossing. It means that you will go for buy and sell trade. And what to do for boom by 501,000. I hope my explanation good and you guys understood. If not, please type in comment. I will make a good video with good sound and with good environment. You will understand all clear points. Look here. The market started going down from 50 to 55. The pair books are and the moving average also went down. So it's time to make the three candles. Also here, the market started going down. The pair books are and also the altcoin. Now it's time to milk three candles. So this is the powerful strategy if you guys wish to milk three spikes. Sorry, three candles, two candle, one candle is all up to you. I recommend three candles, scalping, and make awesome profit using this strategy. Please practice and make good money. Also, hit the look here. This is not about spike. This is not about trend. This is about just one, two, and three candle. I got this idea. I thought to share with you guys. I hope you guys understand and you guys will make awesome profit. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Please, I will request you guys. Let me know about your comments. Let me know about your thoughts, instruction, any ideas. I will work on it. I will test in other ways and I will update you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bless you.